Well, we're one of the first companies to come on board with Maintenance Manager, and we saw the benefits straight away, and now we've been using them for quite a while. Everything that we thought would happen has happened. It's just fantastic. So it really saves a lot of time for my staff and business owners. Time is money. They could be doing other things. The whole process is so streamlined, it's just fantastic. It even goes back to the start when the tenants can lodge their own maintenance by taking a photo, sending a request through, and then things like quotes, getting multiple quotes, all those sort of things are so easy. In this time when there's so much legislation around, anybody that we send through Maintenance Manager out to do a job is certified and insured, and Maintenance Manager takes care of that for us 100%. They collect all the documentation and update it when it needs updating, so we don't even need to worry. That used to be a nightmare, and it used to be a real risk of a liability if we missed anybody. Another thing we really like about Maintenance Manager is their KPIs and their easy to read dashboard. And what that does is, effectively we've put a big TV up on our office wall which has all of the facts and figures, and so property managers can see individually what jobs they need to do. They have them on their desktops, and then the screen we have on the wall shows the department as a whole. One thing our tenants enjoy is the ability to report maintenance remotely, where they can take a photo and just let us know what's happening. And then what the property managers love is they can then get quotes or just send that job out and know that it's taken care of. Very, very easy.